Are you feeling okay?
Feeling the heat.
Feeling the heat. So what are your thoughts? Hi Anna, how you doing?
Hi Scott, I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm feeling pumped. I'm heading out to go meet a couple, Jason and Carol. They have a home that they seem to be outgrowing, but we're going to look at some options. I'm going to meet them at their current home to see if there's anything we can do with it before they make a final decision whether or not they should move.
Sounds good. We can come up with some different options for them with whatever they decide to choose to do.
Amazing. All right, we'll circle back soon.
Hi, my name is Carol,
And I'm Jason.
and we're the Johnsons. We purchased our home about 5 years ago, and shortly after, we had our daughter. House was great. Everything's working.
Yeah, the location works for me because it's close to my work, and we've been looking for other houses
Because we ended up having twin girls, and we are just running out of space. We just need some help, and fast.
yeah, we need some advice. We need some help, please.
Yes, help us.
I'm on my way to visit Carol and Jason. Now, they've been searching for a new home, but this is a tough market, so I'm going to give them a few options. Either number one, if they want a bigger home they can afford, they may need to move out of the neighborhood. Or number two, if they want to stay in the neighborhood, they're going to have to buy something that's going to need some work. Or the third option is, let's take a look at the house that they have and see if there's something we can do with it, or if it's time to start prepping it for sale.
Hey!
Hey,
Good morning!
Morning.
how's it going?
It's pretty good. You guys seem surprised to see me.
I know.
We
I thought we
are.
were supposed to be going out and seeing houses.
Yes, I know. Originally, I was like, we'll go look at a couple places, but to be honest, in this market, things are moving really fast, and there wasn't anything that at the moment is perfect. So I thought, let's just start with the house that you're in, because we either have to figure out how to make it work or fix it up and get it ready for sale. Either way,
Yeah.
we're gonna start here, right?
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
You want to
Good.
come in and take a look?
I would love to, absolutely. Let's go
Let's go.
inside.
All right.
All right, welcome.
Oh, nice.
We have lots of toys. We have a 4-year-old and an 8-month-old twins.
Yeah.
Oh, twins,
yes.
nice. It's set up for a dining room, but you've got it as a living room, but it's also a kitchen.
Yes.
Yes. It's a multi-purpose room.
Yes. And here is our great room.
Yeah.
This is good. So you got a kitchen over here, you got the living room over here, and is this the backyard? Can we take a look out
That
there?
is, yes.
Oh yeah.
This is the
This
backyard.
is the yard.
Yeah.
There's lots of space here. You could do a deck here, and then you still have half the yard for grass for the kids to play around. It's also a
very
good
true.
selling feature, to be honest. Right now, outdoor spaces is premium. Hello, basement.
Yes.
Hello.
Oh boy.
Yeah. My
Lots
little work
of,
area.
Oh my gosh.
Little gym set up here.
If I were to lay out this basement, what I would do is coming in from this side door, I'd run a kitchen all along this wall. I would put a bathroom down at the far end. Then I would put a bedroom right here. Then I would have a living and dining area right here. It also sets it up for the potential for it to be an apartment in the future.
Like that.
And that's why you also have the bathroom at the end. This becomes a fully contained, separate entrance apartment, which for resale value will make you money.
Wow.
There's a platform I use called BidMe.
Okay.
You can create a project and upload your photos, get multiple quotes from multiple contractors, and the money's held in trust, so nothing's released until the project is completed to your satisfaction.
I like that.
So it gives you peace of mind, but it also gives you access to local experts who know the local bylaws, that can do the legal apartment and get it done with the quality and the timeline that you're looking for.
Nice. Sounds good.
Why don't we do this? I'll set you guys up with the website for the work to be done, and I'll connect you on a call right now to talk about the financing, so you can make a decision. Do you want to renovate this place? We're about to find out.
All right, let's do it.
Hi, Anna. I'm here with Jason and Carol.
Hi,
Hi.
Anna.
And hi Carol, nice to meet you guys.
We just did a quick tour of their home. We are kind of debating whether they buy a new house. They're thinking about that, but also looking at the home that they have, and there's some room to grow here. So I thought it might make sense for them to chat with you. They've been in the home for several years. They've got some equity. Also, the value of the homes have gone up, and before they get into a new product, I was hoping you could give them some options that might give them some flexibility.
So we can do a few different things. We can go the traditional route and just refinance the mortgage into a regular conventional mortgage. We can also add a line of credit in addition to your mortgage. Or we can make things really simple. And I have this product at CIBC called a Home Power Plan. And it's the line of credit and the mortgage all rolled into one. As you're paying down the principal of your mortgage, it will auto balance to increase the limit on your line of credit. As it continues to grow, you guys have access back into the equity that you guys originally had, instead of paying it down and then it kind of goes nowhere. This way you guys will always have that overall equity in your property that you can use at any moment you guys need to.
I like that.
I'll let you guys stay in touch so that you can help them with their needs moving forward as their goals change, okay?
Sounds perfect. We'll keep working at the plan and making adjustments as you guys have your needs change and as the kids get a little bit older and whatnot.
All right, we've got some work to do over here. We'll talk to you soon, Anna. So what are your thoughts?
Well, you pointed out some good spots that we can maximize, so we might be able to get some more use out of this house. And
Yeah.
Well, listen, the way I see it, you can finish that basement, you can get more of a rec room, place for the kids to hang out, another kitchen, another bathroom. You set it up so that it gives you guys the space you need now, but it also acts as an income suite in the future, which will add value to your home.
I like that.
All right, well, let me give you this.
Oh,
There's $1,000 on there. This will hopefully help you guys get towards your goals sooner. Sound good?
amazing.
Sounds good. Thank you so much.
Thank
You're
you so
very welcome. All right, good luck with those kids. Let me know when 4 and 5 arrive.
Hi there.
So we did a lot of thinking and we decided to go with the renovation. So yeah, it's just gonna be the best solution for our family because it's gonna give us the space that we need for the children to play with. It's gonna keep their toys away from the upstairs levels, which will become our space again.
Yes, some
So-
adult space.
Exactly.
Yes, so we're really excited about it.
Yeah.
We've actually put in some requests to get some architectural drawings.
Thank you for such great advice, Scott. You were a big help.
Yes.
I appreciate it so much.
Thanks again.
so much.